Infographics are a great way of simplifying complex data into a clear, visually compelling message. Simply download one of these professionally designed PowerPoint templates and you'll have everything you need to create a huge variety of infographics to make your next presentation shine. All these infographic templates are available to download from Envato Elements. You get high-quality PowerPoint templates plus fonts, graphics, photos, and more, all for one low cost. Go ahead and click the links in the description below to start downloading. When you download this infographic PowerPoint template, you get an amazing 170 professional slides. It comes with creative PowerPoint charts, diagrams, and graphics to help you communicate your key message. Give it a try for your next presentation. Next up is PPTx, a modern PowerPoint template with a wide range of beautiful slide designs. Templates like this save so much time. Just plug your data into the charts and infographic template provided, and you'll have a professional result in no time. Although it would be perfect for a tech company, you could also use this sleek, contemporary PowerPoint template in other industries. With 100 dynamic slides, handmade PPT infographics, and easy-to-edit designs, this graphic PowerPoint template is ready to rock. You get circle infographics, puzzle infographics, 3D infographics, and a whole lot more. Here's one of the best PowerPoint templates to help you turn ideas into persuasive presentations. This creative infographic template comes with easy-to-edit icons, slide transition animations, and plenty of infographics. Eargo offers so many different types of infographics, circular diagrams, process maps, stairs, trees, tables, and so much more. You also get more than 250 unique slides, 30 colors, themes, and 2,000 vector icons. Take your business to the next level with this PowerPoint graphics template. So, which of these PowerPoint infographic templates will you use for your next presentation? Let us know down in the comments. Remember, they're all available from Envato Elements, so just click the links down in the description to get started. Please like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for even more roundups and PowerPoint tutorials.